The struggle of the Israel and Igbos are the same thing. I want you to watch this video if you are the lovers of truth and lovers of freedom. Watch these two videos. If you watch what is happening in Nigeria, they have done everything they can do during the civil war to buy all the whole Igbos. They did not succeed. Now what they are pushing is propaganda against the Igbos everywhere in the world. The same thing they are doing to Israel. When Israel refused to bow and refused for the terrorists to buy them, they are pushing propaganda against Israel in the Middle East. Let us watch this video and also listen to our brother concerning Mazin and Carlo before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
Today is 6 July 2026, and in this video I want to let you know something wey many of una no dey get for mind. Shey una know say there are only two ethnic group that refuses to be eliminated or erased from this planet Earth. So because of say these two people refuse to be eliminated or erased for this planet Earth, they are considered as bad people. And these two people, because of say they don't see say they no fit erase them, they no fit buy them more, they no fit comot them from the surface of this earth, they can't decide to be pushing propaganda against them. And these two people, now Israel and Igbo. That is why despite say every tribe for Nigeria, they do 419 in one way or the other. Everybody they focus on Igbo, say na Igbo they do 419. In every tribe, we get that person where they like do bad thing. Apart from T group where everybody no involve themselves in. But when it come to that one, Fulani and Kanuri, they carry crown, now them get the crown. Apart from that one, every other shady things, every individual tribe, one way or the other, they do them. Now, Igbos, no be all of them they do fake thing. No be all of them they put hand for shady things. Likewise, my own tribe, baby Benue. We get people where they do fake thing. We get people where they do 419. Yoruba the same thing. Ibibi the same thing. Name that tribe when no they into shady things. But the whole world decide to focus on Igbo because of that propaganda where they push against them. Even for South Africa, people go tell you say na Igbos they push powder. But we get Yorubas where they push powder. We get Ibibi, Edo. Even if my tribe did there, we get some of my tribe where they push powder. The reason why my tribe, you know, go include them to that kind of thing because say we no like to travel. We like farming work. Truth is bitter. People no go talk am, but me, I go talk am because I want betterment for this world. Now, when it come to Israel, na T group they pursue them, na terror group they pursue them, na terror country like Iran, Iraq. I know those two groups where they Lebanon, and T group where they all over the world. They try every means to erase Israel because they see say Israel na threat to them. They see say they no fit erase them. What did they do? They begin push propaganda against Israel. They begin call Israel genocide country, T group country. No name where they no give Israel, but still Israel refuse to bow. Igbos refuse to bow. No matter the name where they call Igbo people for Nigeria, they call Igbo people for outside Nigeria, they still refuse to bow. And this is the reason why they keep surviving. Igbo man don't bow for propaganda. Other tribe bow for propaganda. That is why they don't even need to propagate against other tribe before they conquer them. Example is my tribe. They don't need to propagate against my tribe, which is Benue State, before they conquer us. Because they go push peace. Oh, we are one. We are Arewa. When you are not one with people where they buy you. When we are not Arewa with people where they buy us. But person wey no get sense for Benue State go see Arewa as a brother, go see Arewa as a middle belter. Go see person wey dey buy you as a brother, one Nigeria. Thunder go fire all of una wey no wan reason. Wey because of una foolishness, dem dey kpai us every blessed day for Nigeria. So Israel and Igbo will continue to exist, but you wey no wan fight back, we go continue to lament, being confused, and they go erase us if care is not taken. I'm a proudly Benue Igede guy. Anyway, share your thought on the comment section responsibly, and for those that love to cry, cry responsibly on the comment section. Thank you.
This is a moment I will not forget in a hurry. You see this very moment, I can never forget it in a hurry. Even in my next word to come, I will always remember this very moment. I can never forget it in a hurry. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, onye nwaanyị gbaa ume. Ebe ọbụla ị nọ, onye nwaanyị gbaa ume. Listen.
I have not read with my Lord, and I insist that I address this court on all these issues. My Lord, do not forget.
Defendant?
My Lord.
Can you
My Lord, I'm not, please, let me finish. It is my case.
I'm going to...
It is my case, my Lord, let me finish. My Lord, in this very court, Emeka Itiaba SAM was here, my Lord. Emeka Itiaba SAM said, at the right time we will contradict or controvert a piece of evidence. A piece of evidence given in this report. I need to write my final written address, my Lord. I must
count charge which with loss.
My Lord, my Lord, I'm saying it clearly.
Defender.
I am entitled to final written address.
Defender.
What is my final written address? It's in the Constitution. My final written address.
Defendant.
My Lord, my final written address. Where is it?
Can you listen to the...
I'm not, my Lord, please.
Can you listen to the court?
Please, my Lord. I need to file my final written address. It's in the Constitution.
I appeal to you to compose yourself this temple of justice.
My Lord, you are biased. You are biased. This is not law. You are biased. It's not law.
Please, I beg you to compose yourself.
My Lord, this is not law. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address.
I beg you to
Show me.
compose yourself.
Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down. Show me. My Lord, you are conducting their case for them. You are the one running their case for them. Let them show me that prosecution. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down.
You have the right to appeal after...
No, my Lord. This is a perversion of the cause of justice. This is not law. It is not law.
Can you excuse me?
My Lord, I cannot excuse nullity and illegality.
Can you let him...
It's not possible. It is not possible, my Lord. You must show me where the Constitution says you have the right to waive my written address. You must show me.
Excuse him.
Show me. Show me where it says so. Show me. Show me where it says so.
Excuse him.
Is that why you brought the cameras? Is that why you brought them today?
Please.
You didn't bring it before. You brought it today.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. Show me.
Please.
Show me where it says I don't repeat law. I said, show me. Show me. Show me.
Get the microphone for him.
No, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. I said, leave it. It's a court of law. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. I have to speak. I'm under trial and I have to speak. Listen to me. Listen to me, please. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. And I must address the court. Wait. No, listen to me. Please. The judge must listen to me. No. Wait. Wait. I'm asking a very simple question. No, wait. Please, look, this is Supreme Court. Wait, hold on. This is Supreme Court here. Hold on a second. Hold on. I said, hold on. May I inquire? This is not a court of law. This is not a court of law. What you're doing is not law. You don't know the law. Show me. I said, show me. When you have the right to waive my right to final address. Show me. That's what the Constitution says. Show me. Show me. You cannot show me.
Come back.
You cannot show me.
Can you please?
You cannot show me because you don't know the law. You can't show me.
Alright.
Wait, hold on. Don't touch me. Don't you dare touch me.
You see, I have come to realize one thing in Nigeria. And that thing is this. The very moment you seem to know your right, anything will make you know your right, you become a threat to the country. I am telling you nothing but the honest truth. Look at how bold Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was. Look at how bold. The gentleman knows his right. He knows his right and they know it. They knew that he knows exactly what he was saying. But at the end of the day, what happened? They sentenced him for life. Ọhamadike gburugburu, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Otu onye ala asụ na abịala. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, asị m na Chukwu okike abịa ga-abụ onye ndu gị. Ọ ga na-agba gị ume ụtụtụ, ehihie na abalị. Ifuru that Sokoto prison ị nọ n'ime ya, ọ kaa ya aka gị onwe ihe ga-eme gị. Ọ nweratakwa n'echiche onye iro ọbụla n'isi gị ga-abịa na mmezu. Ị ga-anọdụ ya, ị ga-emesịkwa pụta, and you shall come out victorious. Ị ga-apụta, and dịka ị na-apụta, mmeri ga-abụ nke gị. Ndị mmụọ ozi ama mgbaketalata gị azụ, ọ dịrọ possible. Ha gara anọnyere gị mana agbaghị ume. Ekwubie m okwu wee si n'otu a ka ọ ga-adị site n'aha Chukwu okike abịa. Ise n'ihi na ihe na-eme bụ ka ọ dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Onye ọbụla soro kpa nkata ọjọọ, nwafọ Igbo ọbụla so wee kpaa nkata ọjọọ n'isi gị wee debegala ọnọdụ ị nọ n'ụbọchị taata, ha na-ezinụlọ ya mafụlata ihe ọma na ndụ. O nwere ike dị ha ka o wee zuorele ha na, mana mgbe na-adịghị anya ha ga-aghọrọrịrị mkpụrụ ọjọọ ha kụrụ. O meghị n'izu, ọ ga-eme n'ọnwa. I arrest my case. Tụsara m ihe onyonyo m nebe. What's na ọ ga-adịrị anyị na. God bless you. Peace and love.
If you have watched this video to this extent, I want you to type Free Maazị Nnamdi Kanu in the comment section. As you type it, share the video to all the whole group you have joined. This video must go viral. And when you finish sharing the video, come back again. Type, I am proud to be an Igbo man. Say it with pride, with any sweet word you can add it to. Anybody that don't like you as an Igbo, let that person go and hug transformer. Anybody who dislike you, even though it's your Igbo brother, they have bought him or his reason one way or the other, let him go and hug transformer and buy. Share this video, guys.